Hi folks, time for another episode of what's inside these rocks. So we're gonna cut these open. These rocks came from today, various parking lots, and found these. So we've got a big honey, I'll turn these around so it focuses better, kind of a big agate nodule type thing, and then a little bit of some mystery meat. Let me turn the camera around. All right, starting off with the mystery meat. The sun is behind me, but we've got this guy, and then we've got this nodule. It's got a bunch of little agate in it, so I'm not sure if it'll all be one piece inside or if it'll look like it's mixed with concrete, almost like it does. And then this guy is like a big honey agate, and I'm pretty excited to see what comes out. So let's get cutting. Alright, let me change the angle of the camera here to catch the light better. And we'll look at these all. Let's start with this guy. Oop, like this. Ooh, interesting. There's definitely like agate in there, agatized material. Some of that host rock stuff. I kind of like it. It's pretty. A lot of fractures though. Okay, and then the next one we'll do this guy. Whoopsies. See what he looks like on the inside. Oh yeah. Still a lot of like kind of fractures and stuff. But look at the little pockets in there. So I imagine, like this is a bigger one. So I find a lot of little tiny ones, and I imagine once the glacier is going over the top of it, it breaks it up into smaller agate pieces, and that's what a lot of what we end up with is what's more of a solid piece that survives the structure. Still pretty strong. I like it though. I like it also compared to the other one. All right, third and final one. Make sure there's enough water on it. See what we've got on the inside. Interesting. I'll have to slab that because it's very see-through. That's a really smooth cut. Wow, I'm surprised. Wow, I like it. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.